Okay guys, today we're going to be doing spark plugs on the Stagea. It has a RB25 DET Neo engine in it. So right here we've got all the spark plugs. We've got some NGK Iridiums IX. So we've got 6 of them. This is for the RB25. We're using the BKR7 EIX, if anyone wanted to know. And they're right here. There we go. There's a spark plug right there. Spark happens right in there. The first step is to unplug the old coil packs. So, press down and pull them off gently but firmly. Oh, I snapped part of it. These connectors get really hot and brittle, so careful when you're pulling them apart not to break it too much. There we go, so we'll just get that off and out to the side. There it is. And now the coil packs right there, you can just start pulling them off. So it's a 10 mil. I have a handy dandy electric ratchet which makes life way easier. Just loosen it off by hand. Okay, and then you can pull it the rest away with that. Keep all your bolts safe so you don't lose any. And now this coil pack should just lift right out of there. There we go. So go ahead and do that to the rest of them. Just pull them all out. Now some of these may not be quite as easy to get to as the rest of them. So we're gonna use a swivel. They're very dirty in there. Let's see if we can show you guys. Down in there. See all the dirt that's collected down. Let's see. Down in here, so we're just gonna get the shop vac out and vacuum that out. And it's very important to do that before you pull the spark plugs out, or else it'll drop down into your cylinder hole. Don't want that. So I just realized that I needed my shop vac, and we have these fancy little storage lockers here. But the shop vac is can we see it? Can we see it? That piece of yellow way down inside there is the shop vac, buried under this entire mountain of stuff. So it's time to get digging, I guess. Well, the lighting down here is just terrible. So all that work and we got the shop vac out. The only problem now is the cord on the shop vac is not long enough, so we're just gonna have to push the car backwards slightly so we can plug it in. Okay, so it's now time to get the spark plugs out. You now see that we got all the spark plugs out. Okay, so this is what you call a gapping tool. You see right there. There, better view of it. I just researched on the Stagea forums for the RB motors, and they're saying they're running about a 0.8 of a gap on these. So let's take this and we'll slide the, it's got a 0.76 and a 0.86. So 0.76 fits, 0.86 doesn't quite fit. So this is perfect right out of the box. So we're just gonna go ahead and install that. Now if we take one of our old ones here and we try the same one, 0.76, it is loose. 0.86 is still loose. 0.89 still loose. 1.2 fits but still loose. 1.14 doesn't quite fit, so that's about a 1.06 of a gap, which is too big on that one. So that might be where we're having some of our problems. Let's just check some of the rest of them. Yeah, I think they're all the same. So all of those are about 1 point something gap. Now those are a number 5 heat cycle, and the new ones are number 7. So everyone else seems to be running 7, so I think we'll be able to get away with it. Might be a little bit harder to start in the winter, but we'll find. So we're just going to go ahead and install all of those into here and move on to the coil packs. Okay guys, these are coil packs. Now older cars have a distributor where it sends a spark around with spark plug wires to all the sparks, but this only needs, can't quite see it on the edge here, just little connectors and little wires to transfer all of the spark. So it makes for less cluster and you actually get a better spark out of it. So our there's more vehicles coming in. See, this is why I need my own shop, because in a parking garage there are cars coming in and out, in and out, in and out all the time. So our buddy Josh was able to hook us up with these. He's a distributor for, I think he said they're Nepal Racing, Nepal Performance coil packs. So he's able to get these straight from manufacturer. So if you're in the Edmonton area, look him up. He runs a CanadianGT YouTube channel, and hit him up and he can set you up with some new coil packs. And these are red, they already match some other red accents I have on here, so I like that. So they're really simple. All they do is they just come down and they plop right on top. That's all there is to it. Get your screws in there and that's it. Now we got them in. All we got left to do is plug them in and then try them out. We're just going for a quick spin here. We got the coil packs in, we got some GoPros on. It's dark now. I started when it was bright outside, but now it's dark. So hopefully we get a little bit of footage and see how well these new coil packs work.
Got the dirty windshield.
Yeah. Well, that's it for today. We got the plugs in, we got the coil packs in, and it makes a huge difference. One of the coil packs was definitely shot, or one of the spark plugs, either or. And yeah, we got a whole bunch of power back. It's not idling funny anymore. So that's good. So anyways, that's the end of this video for today. So if you're new, please subscribe and smash that like button and share this video around. So thanks, we'll see you next time.